The three assignments are designed to give you some practical experience in planning for e-learning in your institution or organization. Now, each assignment is explained in detail on the course website, so I'm not going to repeat all those details here. What I will do instead is provide a brief overview of each assignment and highlight some of the key requirements. The purpose of the first assignment is to have you start the process of examining institutional or organizational planning for e-learning by analyzing the rationales for e-learning at two institutions. We ask you to find two institutional or organizational e-learning strategies and analyze them with a specific focus on their explicit or implicit rationales for promoting and using e-learning. Note that you can also use national, state, or provincial e-learning strategies or policies for this assignment. For the second assignment, we ask you to develop or adapt an existing e-learning readiness audit tool and explain the decision-making behind your tool adaptation or creation. You then have to use that tool to assess the e-learning readiness of an organization or institution. Please note that an e-learning readiness audit of a program, faculty, or school within a larger organization is not acceptable for this assignment. Now, this assessment is not meant to be a laborious, time-consuming process that involves the administration of surveys and the collection of primary data. It should be based on publicly available information on the organization and your subjective assessment of the readiness of that organization based on this information and your use of the audit tool. For assignment 3, there are 3 options to choose from. Option 1 is an analysis and comparison of institutional or organizational e-learning strategies. Option 2 is a comparison and analysis of how institutions or organizations have implemented e-learning. And option 3 involves the analysis and comparison of 2 government approaches to planning e-learning. For all of the assignments, be sure to provide evidence from the documents or information you are analyzing to support your claims and conclusions. This doesn't mean providing lengthy quotes. In fact, direct quotes should be used sparingly. We want to hear what you think, but you must support your conclusions with evidence. For more on the use of quotes, see the overview page of the assignments section. Primary documents must be used for these assignments. You can refer to secondary documents such as somebody else's analysis, but that isn't sufficient. You also need to clearly explain which specific documents you consulted. So that's an overview of the 3 assignments. Complete details of each assignment are available on the WordPress website under the Assignments tab.